Here are a large, beautifully engraved, personalized wood spoons and spatula set. We sell these also individually. Everybody enjoys seeing their name engraved on a wood spoon and spatula. For a sense of scale, here's what it looks like held against a large 5-gallon pot and just a smaller cooking pot. Your gift set arrives in a cotton gift bag, the drawstring, and you can always reuse the bag for giving away a wine bottle. You can also get, with your utensil gift set, a utensil caddy that's designed to match it. As you can see, these are larger spoons, and they really deserve a box that fits. We match the font up on the utensils front with the wood spoons, as you can see. And this is adjustable, so if you want to use smaller utensils, you can also use it with smaller utensil sets as well. Your wood spoon will arrive bright and shiny and pale like this, because it hasn't really been treated with anything other than a light touch of mineral oil. However, if you go to your local grocery store and pick up some walnut oil or any other sort of oil, mineral oil or olive oil or grapeseed oil, you can stain it. I prefer walnut oil. You get a really nice dark look to it. Just a few seconds that this will be ready to use. You can always apply a second coat. And it'll develop some personality as you cook with it, as any wood spoon does. That's beautiful. Alright, so there you can see what it's like before and after. A little bit of walnut oil goes a long way.